Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name's Fernando. I make videos about repairing, taking things apart, experimenting. So I am electronics, so this is not totally strange to me. The previous video we did now a couple of minutes ago was how to turn the brand new copper soldering iron tip. Go have a look at those. There's a packet. I've done that. I'm going to use the one that's on there, that's bent. I'm going to experiment with that. We've got a board coming up. We've ordered the ICs. There's the ICs there. Those ICs all need to be replaced. Three of them have popped, so we're assuming that the other two can't be very good either. We've ordered them. They are quite difficult to get hold of. So this is an experiment or a practice run of taking out the IC and then putting it back. I bought some of this tape, Copton paint, whatever it's called. Yeah, it wasn't expensive, it was quite cheap. If I can get it open, over there. So I'm struggling with this. Maybe from the other side. No, no, can't get it open. Oh no, the end is there. Well, they put the sticker there. In any case, so the idea of this is I don't have a scissors, so I'm going to have to be very crude about this and use a side cutters for this. So what I'm going to do is this. I want to protect, in this case, these little where's the little side cutters? I've got knives here. Hang on, with my little blades. Where are my little blades? Let me get my little blades. That's what I bought them for. Let me show you guys. Let me get my little blades. You've seen them in other videos. Okay, so we're going to mess around with this. Put it down. Don't know if it's the right way of doing it or not. There we go. Piece broke corner off there. See all these little resistors on there. The idea is to protect them so that they don't come loose. Okay, I'm going to use the airflow, the hot airflow thing. So that's there, that's to protect us. So we're going to use this as an experiment to see whether we get it right or not. Because the other board, this board is scrap, no longer used. We don't even know what machine it came on. It's just floating around our location here. So that's that, and that's that. We're going to put some hot air here. I'm going to show you guys something quickly. So with my little tire lever. Okay, so if you look at that, there's a little triangle on there, and that is for pin 1. The little mark on there on the IC. So I've got a little triangle cut out like these. I've got a little corner triangle there. That's got the little bubbles. That's pin 1. So tweezers already. This desk needs to clean up, and we're going to start. Let me get all my eyes over here. There we go. There we go. Okay, it didn't bend. It did not bend. It lifted the tack a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to have to be careful with that. Okay, right. I'm going to have to be careful, but I'm going to do this in a little bit of a different way. Okay, so I should have given more heat, I shouldn't have pulled it. In any case, it's fine. It's fine, let the chip cool down. Not that we're going to use the chip again. Right. So we're letting the chip cool down a little bit, and we're going to put it back. Let's just see, I've got this bent soldering iron tip. Well, let me not bend this chip. That's the same size chip we're going to be working on that side. Soldering iron, the cord. Give it a little bit of a clean. Still solder on there. Over there, caught a little bit. Okay. Okay, the tack lifted a little bit, but the tack's still making contact. That's all good. That's all good. I think this is going to be easy. It's not the the old big ICs we're used to working on, but this is not rocket science. This is not rocket science. Right, we're going to put this IC back. Hopefully we don't get interrupted in the office again. Okay, it's probably out of camera, so we'll put the thing on top there. We're going to use the, that's the wrong way around, okay. We're going to put the IC in place. This is quite easy, this will be an easy job. This will be an easy job. Come on. There we go, there we go. Here's pin 1. There's it. There's pin 1. Okay, the thing is too tall. Okay, so that's not going to work. We have to hold it down. Put it in place. There's it. Okay, that should be, that's elevated because I didn't take off with the solder, but that's fine. We'll use this to push down. Now it needs to be cleaned up, but it's okay. It's okay. Too much solder, but it's fine. Take some solder from there, put it on there. Okay, there's too much solder in one pin over there. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. And let me just show you guys quickly what it looks like. It looks like successful. Where is that? There's no shorts. Yes, too much solder, but that's the first one experiment. That's not bad, guys. If you like, buy me a coffee. Like, subscribe. Thanks very much, guys. Have a lekker day.